Sennheiser as a brand, we've been around for over 70 years, working with sound transmission and sound reproduction with the specialists in audio and communications. We're at the exhibition today to showcase some of our new technology, both in the agile meeting spaces and with unified communications to the desktop. Part of what we're doing, we've invested heavily into software, cloud-based software that effectively allows the IT administrator to take a bird's eye view of all the products that sit in their networks and any relevant updates that need to happen. But more importantly as well for the business, what they need to be able to view, especially with the installation of unified communications technology, is they need to see what their return on investment is as a business. It's important to be here at UC Expo, predominantly because we're sitting here amongst key partners in the market, our strategic alliance partners, people like Cisco, Microsoft, Enfon. There's lots of key strategic partners here. And not only that, the people that are really making these changes to their organisations, they're here today to research the key technology, and obviously Sennheiser as a brand with a key technology from a headset vendor. We've brought along a very comprehensive range. There's some new things here at the show. What we've done is we've separated the products into some key areas. So from a unified communications perspective, we've got our mobility products. We've also then got our desktop products, and we've also got meeting space products and also products for flexible office working. So why would you come and see Sennheiser at the next UC Expo? Well, first of all, it's a great place to troubleshoot, also speak to the experts to try and solve problems and find solutions. And as a company, moving to unified communications, speaking to Sennheiser is likely your best option.